Everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Sunday night. Baby, it's cold out of doors. We're recording this broadcast at 7:05. I'm looking at my thermometers already down low and mid-single numbers. We're going below zero again from the western suburbs, north and west. You know who you are. I think downtown Boston will be 0 to probably 1 or 2 below. Not the extreme cold we had last night. Certainly with the wind. The winds are dying down. But those wind chills late last night, 30 to 40 degrees below zero. Ouch. Anyway, the record, I'm sure you've heard a million times today, was broken in Boston last night, or this morning, if you will, at 9 below. Hartford was 12 below, Providence -9, and Worcester 16 below zero. All right, lots of weather changes coming, so let's get right to it as we look at the weather headline. This is the deal. A burst of snow is coming at the worst possible time tomorrow. Between 3 o'clock and 7 o'clock tomorrow night, it's going to be snowing here, and the roads are going to ice up because it's so cold that even though temperatures will be getting close to freezing by tomorrow evening, the roads are going to get covered with snow. It just takes a dusting to an inch or two, and we have some major problems. But it will be changing to rain tomorrow night. Watch your thermometers tomorrow night because late at night they'll be rising to over 40, certainly from Boston south. We're looking for heavy rain Tuesday and Tuesday night with rapid snow melt that may make for some flooding of streams, streets, and basements. We are in a very active weather pattern. Now, the National Weather Service has put out a winter weather advisory in blue just north and west of Boston and western Providence from tomorrow afternoon till early Tuesday morning for snow, going to sleet, freezing rain, and then all rain. But as we look at national temperatures, this is really interesting. You see, it's still very cold in the Northeast. It's very close to zero in many locales. Contrast that to out in the plains of the Rockies, it's in the 30s and 40s. So in between the warm and the extreme cold, you know there's a battle zone, and this is what's happening now in terms of radar. There's a large swath of snow from the northern plain states moving into Chicago, in Detroit, approaching Pittsburgh right now, into western portions of North Carolina, the Virginias. This snow band will be making inroads into southern New England between 2 and 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. That's what we're talking about. And again, it doesn't take much snow on the roads to create a real nightmare. So prepare for this. So before all said and done, before the change to rain in Boston, 1 to perhaps as much as 3 inches from Boston out to 495 north and west, Worcester, the Berkshires, 3 to 5. This might be conservative for you. From Worcester to the Berkshires, I'm still working on that. And once you get south and southeast and south of Boston down towards Providence, less snow, but still maybe enough. I don't want to underscore this. It just takes a dusting to an inch in these locales to make for very slippery going during a busy afternoon commute. All right, here's the forecast for Boston, and we're talking about the following: clear, bitter cold weather overnight. Temperatures ranging from about 3 above to 16 below with very little wind. Now for tomorrow, rapidly clouding over, snow breaking out by early to mid-afternoon. Temperatures rising into the upper 20s. The snow will change to sleet and freezing rain, first in Boston and then rapidly to all rain along the coast. Once the wind goes southeast in Boston and starts to pick up off that 40-degree ocean water, the party is over with that spreading inland. But there could be a period of ice inland, 495 north and west, for several hours, putting a glaze over everything. By morning in Boston, it's at least 40. Now on Tuesday, it's rainy, windy, and warm, 56 degrees. Could be a late-day thunderstorm as an occluded front comes through. The rain shuts off Tuesday night. And on Wednesday, building clouds. There could be late-day rain or snow showers, low and mid-40s, turning colder late. And Thursday, a little punch of cold air comes in, partly cloudy. It's near 30. And then by Friday, increasing clouds. Could be a burst of snow showers here late in the day or at night as a warm front lifts through. And you remember how cold yesterday was, being Saturday. By next Saturday, we could be 45 to 50 degrees, but that's not going to last long either. All right, that's my latest forecast. Thanks for checking in. Please stay tuned for updates. I'm Mark Rosenthal.